How to find real screen time on iPhone when it shows screen time of Mac as well. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on the screen time option you see there. Now, on the top right of your screen, you will see the option for devices. Tap on that and then go ahead and select your iPhone and make sure not to select the all devices option. Now, you will see real iPhone screen time, the pickup count, the app uses without Mac data mixed in. And you can then go back to screen time settings and scroll down and you will see the option for share across devices. So go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for share across devices, and from now on, MacBook will track their separate screen time and iPhone will track their separate screen time. So this was about how you can find real screen time of iPhone when it shows screen time of Mac as well. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.